Hello my beauties, I have a good video for you today. This unit is another Hairvivi unit. Y'all already know how we feel about our Hairvivi units, and this one is very unique. It's a chocolate brown unit with a blonde streak up the front. It gives you just a light amount of splash of color for those days when you're feeling a little spicy and want to spice it up from the typical black. Let's look at this hairline. You guys already know the type of hairline Hairvivi is known for. It's gonna come pre-plucked and bleached. You're not gonna have to do anything to this unit as far as customization is concerned, besides putting it on. So now let's just take a little deeper look into the coloring. Even though it's just one strip of color along the front, depending on how you part it, you're gonna get a different look from out of this unit. Right now, it came with a side part. However, I'm not really a fan of how they parted this side part because it comes straight down, and I prefer my parts to have a curve. So I'm going to make a little change to that a little bit later. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead with my Faithfully Aged Beauty wax stick and my hot comb, and I'm going to just use that to flatten the top of the unit. You guys know that's a very important step before laying down any unit. You also want to make sure you go in and hot comb the inside of the unit so that the entire base of the unit lays pretty flat and is not bulky in any way. Now, before I try this unit on, I am going to go through really quickly and straighten this unit with my hot comb as well as bump the ends just to give it a nice clean look. Okay dolls, so before I put this unit on, I'm gonna go over the cap construction with you quickly. This is the cap construction. It does have the standard 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and an adjustable elastic band. So this is what the unit looks like on. There are flyaways throughout this unit. So I am going to use some of my Lotta Body Mousse, the struggle. I'm gonna use some of that and put it on top to get this to lay down a little bit more sleek. So real quick, before I cut the lace, let's talk about it. It's a Hairvivi lace. Y'all already know they have some of the best lace in the game. Y'all can look at the lace and see for yourself. It's not really much I need to say about it. Let me give y'all a quick look at what this hairline is looking like. As you can tell, it does come pre-plucked very well, and the knots are bleached. So for today's install, I'm going to lay this unit down using my Eben New York Mega Hold Adhesive Spray. Just wiping my hairline just to make sure that my skin is free of any makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these ear tabs off before I spray down the sides of this unit. I'm gonna go on top of that using some of my Lotta Body Mousse. As I mentioned, that's gonna help sleek everything down. And I'm mainly putting it on the hair, not the hairline, because I don't want it to lift the spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna tie this down for about 10 minutes just to get this to blend and melt in with my skin. While I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and bump these ends. So this is what the unit looks like in its basic state, how it arrived in the box. But as I mentioned earlier, I don't really like the way this unit is parted. When I do my side parts, I like them to have a curve and not come straight down. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna come down a little and then I'm gonna come up to give it more of a curved side part. And when you do that, you get color on both sides. This one is just light. So this is just giving you an idea of how it might look if you do a middle part. However, of course, the color is going to be more prominent on this side. I'm also going to take the curling iron and bump this to the back. Okay, so I like this a little bit better. You can obviously just play with this unit, and depending on how you part it and depending on how you curl it, it will determine just how much of the color will show in the unit. But I do like the fact that it's just kind of like a pop of color, and as you can see, the rest of this unit is a nice pretty chocolate brown. But I do want to let you guys know I have not got any shedding or any tangling with this unit so far. That's not typically an issue for me with my Hairvivi units. And this is what it looks like with a middle part. As you can see, this unit does offer a lot of versatility as far as styling and the different look that you'll get depending on how you part it. And here's my outfit of the day. Shop this look and more at shopfabulous.com. Be sure and follow us on Instagram as well, where you get discounts on the units used in review on my channel, as well as all the trendy fashion. So dolls, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I do have a coupon code for you guys, and I'm going to go ahead and put that across the screen. It'll also be linked in the description box down below, as well as the links to purchase this unit. But of course, guys, I'm gonna need your help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. Well, it wasn't last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the Faithful fam, be sure and hit that subscribe button before you leave. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.